will discuss on modular 4 infinite series. First we have to see about the applications. The infinite series will use in a physics, computer science, finance and mathematics. In engineering also we will use the infinite series. They are used to analysis for the current flow and sound waves. And also we will use the infinite series in harmonic analysis. In a sound recording system, roughly we will use the infinite series technique. And some differential equation cannot be solved in just a single function, but can be approximated as an infinite series. These are the applications we will use in a infinite series. Now, after that we have to see the definition of infinite series. The name itself suggests us the series, as we already studied in a school level, the series and sequences. That is, the sequences we have to write U1, U2, U3 like that. Same here, the series we have to write in between of plus sign. This we call it as a series. Now we have to take the definition of the series. Infinite series is basically a summation of infinite number of terms. As I already told you, the sequence we have to rearrange in terms of U1, U2, U3 up to UN up to infinite terms. Here in a series we have to express that in the form of U1 plus U2 plus U3 so on UN up to infinity. This sum of the U terms we have to write it in the form of summation of UN, that is n is equal to 1 to infinity, or simply we have to write a UN. Now the summation of sum of these all the terms we have to rearrange in the term of Sn is equal to U1 plus U2 plus U3 so on. We have to indicate U1 plus U2 plus U3 these terms in the terms of Sn. Now we have to see by using this series how to recognize the given series is convergent, divergence or a oscillator. Now we have to take the convergent, divergent definitions. Convergent. Convergent means the series UN is said to be convergent when if we apply the limit for this as n tends to infinity for Sn, we will get L. L must be a finite. L must be a finite. Then that become a convergent. Remember, when after substituting n tends to infinity for the Sn term, we will get the L. L is nothing but a finite integer. That become a convergent. If n tends to infinity, Sn is equal to plus or minus infinity. The infinity get, the term will get, that we have to recognize that the given series is divergent. If the limit n tends to infinity, Sn is equal to S. If we got S, means the term will not getting the proper result. That time, that we call it as a oscillatory. By taking these three definitions, we have to apply two root tests. Those are, first one is Cauchy's root test and second one is D'Alembert's root test. These two root tests we have to apply convergent, divergent, oscillatory for our series.